welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another unboxing of another headband wig, but this time it's from a different company. They reached out to me based off of my last review. They loved it and they wanted me to review their hair as well. This company is based off of Amazon, and I'm telling you, so far I've seen nothing but great reviews on here on YouTube and on the Amazon store as well. So let's take a look. I have not opened it up yet. The company is called NADULA Hair. Here they are right here. It's kind of similar to Love Me Hair. So far the packaging seems great. I have not opened up anything, so let's see how it is. Okay, wow, so it actually comes pretty neat. Everything's in the package here. Let's try and open it up. So it comes, well, so I see one headband wig, one headband. I see, oh, some lashes. Now that's pretty good. These some cute lashes too. I don't know if you can see that there. Pretty some cute eyelashes there. And of course the wig caps, nude wig caps. So, oh, actually I see more headbands as well. It's actually inside. Here's another headband. This is actually really cute. This is so cute. I actually like this. I like how it comes with the prints. See, this is good. Even though Love Me Hair did give more headbands, I do like how theirs are actually printed. Theirs was solid. So these are actually very cute. They're little flowers on it. I do like that. And that's it. Okay, so let's see. This is the wig straight out of the package. Very, very cute. It's a slight body wave. It's a headband wig. Take off the net, and it has, so the construction of the cap is pretty much standard. I do see three combs here, one here, and then one pretty big comb right here, which is pretty good. And then there's a comb here in the back as well. And let's see how this hair feels. Ooh, this hair feels extremely silky. Very nice. Very, very nice. I ordered the 16 inches. I will leave the information down below, but this is the body wave hair. I ordered 16 inches. Very, very cute. Very soft so far. No shedding. Nothing. Very nice. So let's try this on. Let me take this off here. Let's try this on. Now I got my hair in 4 braids. And I did my edges. Just forward here. Now, once again, guys, I do have a big head. So let's see if this is big head friendly. Ooh. Oh, yeah. It's very secure. Whoa. It's not tight at all. Let me try to do this here. Oh, this comes folded already. Okay. Okay. So far, this is very cute. Now the density feels a little on the thin side, just a little bit, but it's not bad. You know, I think this is actually a very good summer wig. You know, as a half wig, I think it's very, very good for a summer wig. Sorry, headband wig. For some reason, headband wigs and half wigs, they just seem like the same to me. So bear with me. Let's try and comb this out. Wow, I really like it. So last time I wet the hair down to see what it did. This time I think I'm going to curl it. So let's try and curl this and see what it comes out like. Let's start with this little piece here. First, let me straighten it and see how it straightens. Wow. Did not take long at all. Now the hair is layered. I don't know if you can tell. It is layered, which I do like. I mean, because sometimes, you know, you don't want it to be all the way around the same kind of thing, you know, but wow, look at that. So let me go ahead and try and, I don't know if I'm going to do some curls. I don't know if I want to straighten it, you know. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think, if I should curl this, straighten this. Let's see what I decide. You guys, so okay, this wig here, first of all, NADULA Hair, I think is doing an amazing job. I mean, first of all, let's just talk this hair. First of all, the color, you guys see this color, right? Whoa, like this color looks absolutely amazing. Like, actually, you know what? Let me put some earrings on, because this dude actually needs some earrings on. Okay. Here we go. Yes, there we go. Now we get him. Now we're on it. First of all, this color is outstanding. I mean, they did such a great job on the color, especially for dark-skinned women like me. I mean, come on, guys. This is like absolutely stunning. I mean, look at this. Look at the dark roots down. Oh my goodness. This is just absolutely stunning. Okay. The cut, I love the cut as well. It is a feathered layered cut. I think this is a very, very nice layered cut. You can even do like a little part here. You can like put it to the side, go like this, which is what I actually like. The hair, though, like I said, it does feel a little on the thinner side. I mean, it is actually, I don't actually mind it because it is 90 degrees here in New York and it is hot as hell. So this is not going to be too thick to where I'm walking around and it's going to be too stressful for me. It's going to be too hot and I got to put it up in a bun and move it back and all this. It's not going to be any of that stuff. So I definitely don't mind it being a little on the thinner side. But if you do like thicker hair, this particular headband wig might not be for you, which is totally fine. Like I said, I love the color. This wig was only $79. Okay. It is the 16-inch body wave and it curls so nicely. Now, like I said, guys, it is 90 degrees in here, so I don't have my AC on right now because I'm recording this video. So if you see the curls like kind of going away already, it's because it's hot as hell. But I definitely think you guys should go ahead and go to NADULA Hair. They are located on Amazon. They have multiple different styles, from lace fronts wigs, more headband wigs, anything that you need. It literally took one day. I ordered this, I want to say Monday around 8 o'clock and I got it Tuesday, the next day at 2 p.m. So definitely order you guys this wig. Shout out to NADULA Hair on this amazing, amazing, amazing hair. I love it. You know, this is such an effortless, cute, easy hairstyle. Let's try one of the headbands and see. Let's see how the headband look. And voila. Extremely simple. Like I said, I love the color. The color is my favorite part. I love how it looks on my brown skin. For us brown girls out there, this is for you. So thank you so much, guys, for checking out my channel. Thank you for looking at another review. This is definitely Livy approved. I would give it a 9 out of 10. All overall, just because, like I said, it is on a little bit on the thinner side. If it was a little thicker, it would be a 10 out of 10, but I don't mind it because it's super hot anyway, so it's totally fine for me. But thank you so much, guys, for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. Please share this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I will check you in the next video. Bye.